Hello everyone, so today I'm swatching my watercolor palette that I use to paint my paintings. It is basically a French brand named Lefra and Bourgeois. It came with a tin box and it is 12 color palette. It is very nice palette actually. Firstly, I have a black ivory and here's the swatch of it. Second, I have a burnt umber and it is not that much pigmented. Now it is brown. Here I'm swatching burgundy. In this palette there is not red, but we can make red color by mixing prime colors. Here I have orange. It is a sheer navy blue and it's very pigmented and nice color actually. Next I have ultramarine. Now I'm swatching dark green color and same, I think it's not that much pigmented, but it's okay. Now I have light green. It is ochre color. Now it is yellow. Now finally I have a white. Some colors are not in this palette, so I will show you how I make my desired colors. Firstly, I am making sky blue color with ultramarine and white. Now I am making green with the same color and I will add dark green with ultramarine. Here I am making purple color with ultramarine and burgundy color. Now I am making red color with burgundy, orange. Second, I am making deep red color. With the same colors, I am adding little bit more burnt umber with burgundy and orange. In the last, I am making a beautiful rose color with mixing a white with all of the same colors. So it is my watercolor swatches. If you want to take screenshots, so you can. So here's my complete palette swatches. I hope you got an idea and learn how I make and mix my different colors